Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can mask an object twice in CapCut PC. So just like this and go to the mask option, and I'm just going to select this heart shape and I'm going to feather it out a little bit. Right click, create compound clip, and you're just going to select another mask. You can select a different shape, but I'm just going to do this and I'm just going to feather it out. That's how you can mask twice on an object in CapCut PC. Super simple. You can add it on top of something and you can kind of see like the inside part here because you masked it twice. It could look better than this, but yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!